Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? Hope we're all doing all right. And I'm drinking, which means I'm cooking. Most times when you see me with a glass of wine and I'm not dressed, then I'm cooking. I'm about to make something nice. I'm about to bake chicken. So I want to show you guys how I bake chicken. I usually don't eat. Usually when I cook, I don't fry food, and I don't fry meat. So if I have to eat meat, I bake it or grill it, either way. So today I'm baking a full-blown chicken. So I want to show you guys how I bake my chicken and how all the process, how I do it. It's very easy and it tastes very good actually. Yeah. Does it taste like fried chicken? No. Do I miss fried chicken? No. Do I eat it? Yes, I do. In people's house, not in my house. I don't eat anything fried in my house. So here I have my full chicken I'm gonna bake. I have celeries. I'm gonna bake it with chicken. I have some potatoes. I'm baking it with the chicken. I have olive oil. I have avocado oil, sorry. I have some garlic and onion. I'm gonna blend it together to marinate the chicken with. I have my salt, some kind of pepper, and some mixture of stuff for chicken, right? So I'm gonna, so what I'm going to do now is I have citron, lemon. I have my lemon, I have my onion, extra onion, and just watch and see, guys. So I'm going to take this. Just give me a second. I will wash this chicken quickly. So this is washed chicken. What we do is we take paper towel and you just damp the, just to clean up the extra water on the chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this, okay? And what's it called? Garlic in here. I pour it out. Smells good. I'm not cooking with wine, although sometimes you can cook with white wine, but not this kind. I mean, this is not the kind of food I cook with wine. Have this here. What else? Have some salt. you can use olive oil or avocado oil for this, or you can use any kind of oil. You can even use butter. I don't like to use butter, so I'll just use avocado oil and olive oil. So all you need is just, you know, rub it around like a rubbing cream. You know, make sure it touches every part of the chicken. You know, it's going to help the chicken not to burn. Okay, so don't burn the chicken, but it's going to come out crusty anyway. Yeah. So it's just like when you are in the sun and you need the sunscreen. Exactly. So I'm sunscreening and massaging my chicken. Yeah. So I'm just gonna cut the potatoes into any kind of shape. Not really, I don't know if there's any special shape you're supposed to cut these potatoes, but I'm cutting. See, the most important is that you just cook and the food tastes good and you eat it and it satisfies you and it nourishes your body. Lemon, you put your lemon inside. Have your onion also. You put your lemon, you put your onion inside. Yeah. What else? You can add some garlic. Why not? See guys, everything is optional. If you have rosemary is very nice, but I couldn't find rosemary, so I'm gonna make this like this. So now that we're done, we just tie it together so they can, you know, they can just hold themselves there. Here, now, you have this all marinated. All you need is these two potatoes. Just put it around. Put the potatoes around. Put the potatoes around. My preheated oven, so oops, hot, and my baby is going in. Hey, see you later. Okay. After 1 hour 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes, so our baked chicken is done. As you can see, everything is relaxed. So I'm going to take it out. Usually, when you take this out, you should let it relax for like 30 minutes before you cut it. That's what they say, but when you're hungry, the only thing is that it's hot. See, if it's not hot, I can't wait for 30 minutes to just devour this, but I'm not eating it alone. Look, guys, look what we have here. Mmm. 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 Look. This shit is so. This is so like. And it smells so good. Oh my god. Look, all the vegetables are relaxed. Can't wait to eat this. But yeah. It smells so good. It smells so good, guys. Look. All this you get in Gwen's kitchen, guys. I wish you guys can just come and eat with me. Like, I don't mind. I'm gonna cut it later, like in 30 minutes. Not because, well, I don't know if I wait for 30 minutes, but I'll cut it when it's a little bit cold. Now I have to go continue working, but this is for lunch, dinner, because I'm gonna eat, like, I'm not eating alone. So yeah, I'll just go finish up what I'm doing. I'm glad the chicken turns out. Of course, it's me. It's gonna turn out good. Subscribe, like, and you know how we do over here. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. See you on my next video. Bye bye.